Hey everyone, and welcome. In this video, we're reviewing Belong, an Australian internet provider known for simplicity and affordability. Considering Belong? Check the description below for plan details and current offers. Belong is a budget-friendly option with NBN plans perfect for those who want straightforward internet. They offer 3 clear speed tiers: basic at 25 megabit per second, standard at 50 megabits per second, and premium at 100 megabits per second. Choose the speed that matches your household needs, whether it's light browsing, HD streaming, or managing multiple devices. A unique Belong feature is their carbon-neutral internet. Your data usage is offset, reducing your environmental impact. A big plus for eco-conscious users. Belong's plans are contract-free, offering flexibility. Their pricing is competitive, with no hidden fees, and often includes perks like discounted or free modems. Setup is user-friendly, and most users report a smooth start. While great for affordability, Belong's customer support is primarily online. This works well for tech-savvy users, but might not be ideal for those who prefer phone support. Also, they don't offer advanced features like 4G backup or customizable plans. Overall, Belong is excellent for budget-conscious individuals, small households, or eco-friendly users wanting a reliable, straightforward connection. Looking for simple, affordable, and sustainable internet? Belong might be perfect. Learn more in the description below.